Aferin benim oğluma. Aferin benim oğluma. Oynayalım oğlumla. Aferin benim oğluma. Hadi bir daha oynayalım.
Gravity check in progress. Results failed. Look at me. I am the scientist now. Only 3 more. The moment he realized that just because it's expensive doesn't mean it doesn't smell like a dumpster fire. He really went from curious. You're trying to have a main character moment, but your sibling's foot is a paid actor for the villain. The human starts doing that weird magic trick with your favorite toy and you decide it is officially time to mind your own business and exit the room. You're a dog, but your true passion is competitive handstanding. This pup took bottoms up a little too literally. Lie on your resume about having 5 years of pest control experience, but you actually specialize in professional parkour and panic. You're trying to reach the final boss, but your VR headset is a bit rough. Successfully performed the forbidden ritual to create a magnetic cat, and now he is haunted by the orange orb of his own making. Followed the recipe exactly, but my sourdough keeps meowing and demanding treats. This loaf has a serious attitude problem and definitely needs more proofing. I have spent years perfecting the art of the slow blink and the dignified head tilt, yet I still find myself falling for the oldest trick in the book, the invisible treat. One day I will learn, but today is clear. You're the one who finally figures out how the game works, but you're also the one who has to do all the work. Whack-a-mole is much harder when you have to be the hammer and the... I just watched the laws of physics betray my cat in real time. He is still waiting for the explanation. You're trying to stay awake for the drama, but the 3 p.m. slump hits harder than a bag of catnip. 1 minute you're locked in. That moment when you poke your food to see if it's still alive and it actually reacts. You're trying to act cool and casual, but you accidentally step on a Lego in the bathroom. You forget to check the weather forecast before your hot girl walk.
Meow 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 meow.
Forget the choreography, but you're still the main character of the flash mob. I have never seen a popcorn ceiling I wanted to eat so badly. You forget the choreography, but you are still the main character of the Plaza Dance Squad. Gravity really said not today to the puppy, and the cat is just standing there taking notes on how to fail with style.
There, Finkel.
You realize the magic of the universe is actually just soap and disappointment. Gravity is just a theory that my cat works tirelessly to debunk every single day. You decide to walk like the main character and realize your human is just a supporting extra. Moment when you think you want a taste of the exotic life, but the exotic life smells like a dirty gym. The drive-thru worker says hello, but you realize you forgot your wallet and your dignity at home. Testing, is this thing on? Because I am about to drop the hottest track of the year. You spend all morning at the gym working on your core just to realize the floor is wet and your traction control is at 0. Cat is currently operating on 2% battery and has 0 interest in your technical support. This isn't a nap, it is a full system reboot with a... You're trying to keep it together in the Monday morning meeting, but the spirit is weak and the nap is calling your name. Your human finally stops moving for 5 seconds and you mistake their leg.
Huh?
You're 100% committed to the ball but only 5% committed to the water. The music is so beautiful you literally want to eat it. You realize the human meeting could have been an email and you just want your deposit back. The after party per hits the mic, but you have zero budget for a second take. Your friend is trying to play dead to avoid the bill, but you know. Spent years perfecting the ancient art of feline kung fu just to be disrespected by a stuffed animal in a raincoat. Watch your back, Yellow Jacket. Spend 5 minutes meticulously hunting for your cat's favorite toy just for them to look at it like they've never seen a sphere in their entire life. Hear a bag of chips open from 3 rooms away. Huh? Synchronizing the tail with the ticking is his full-time job and he is due for a promotion.
Bravo. No, bravo, naučio si pušit. Bravo.
You realize the floor is made of floor, but you were mentally prepared for a mission to Mars. You meet the only person responsible for all your problems. Trying to relax, but the intrusive thoughts keep coming at you like a flying marshmallow. You realize your free trial of being a cat has expired and you have to start paying for your own treats. Trying to give a friendly kiss, but your cat chooses violence.
Huh?
That moment when you realize some friendships are way more personal than you ever signed up for. Moment when you realize your own paw tastes exactly like the snack you were dreaming about, but then the existential crisis hits and you forget how to cat. I thought we had a connection, but apparently one sniff of my feet was enough to make him rethink every life choice he has ever made. Convinced my toes are classified as a biological weapon because he did not just walk away, he fled the scene. Just a girl and her cat who is currently filing for a restraining order based on scent alone.